Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Director jong katanat Social Welfare Didi Shira Uloong bakatanat kan sawan ra ya kajing terwa bansnai ki Jaka Sumar Naka Bynta ki kana Kynthei Kiba Kyrni ki Jingdih pen Buaid ne ka De-Addiction Center for Juvenile Females. Didi Shira uloong bakatanat kan pentrei kam no kini ki Jaka Sumar hanong stan balada ka jing pentrei kam biang hanong stan kinra no sheshelong. Uloong ru bakatanat kan pentrei kam no mentau snem. Shu Shira uloong bakatanat kampat kami benya kibrio ki bala Kyrni drop ha ka jella hendai kila don ka jinge trailang bat ki NGO bapher halor kani ka Bynta.
Unfortunately, in our state, problem of drug menace has infiltrated our state, our societies, and it is very difficult for everyone, including the parents, our society, our communities, and the state authorities to tackle this problem. All the stakeholders, including the police, the educational institutions, education department, social welfare and health department, and along with the NGOs, they've been trying their best to get rid of this menace in the states. Despite all the efforts, drug menace still continues to haunt our states. Police department, they've been trying hard to curb demand and supply from social welfare side and health department sides. They've been trying to rehab and rehabilitate and detoxify the addicts, and NGOs they're also helping us to refer the addicts and the cured patients and clients back to the society. The state as a whole still face challenges in the curbing of demand and supply, and also in getting treated the addicts in the states. Efforts are being made by social welfare and health department to set up as many as the addiction centers and treatment facilities in all the districts. NGOs are being assisted by way of grants. In the future, the Department of Social Welfare has made proposals to set up more de-addiction centers and assist more NGOs. There is need for more professional counselors also in all the districts. That matter will also be looked into by the Social Welfare Department. All efforts are being made to curb challenges and plug holes in the loopholes of the system. Hopefully in the near future, with the help and assistance and with the collaboration of all these stakeholders, we'll be able to curb drug menace in our society, in our state.
So do you have the statistics of drug addicts in the state?
Actually,
just like
there is
some kind of general data?
There is no system yet to actually survey the number of addicts in our state, but we can get figures from all the institutions like the addiction centers and from hospitals and from records in the NGOs working with us. At present, we have about 3,000 plus drug addicts in the state. It may be more, we don't know. Type of substance which is being mostly used is opioid. So we can say that the type of addiction in our state is of serious nature. Many they are addicted to opium, which is very serious.
So what about the other drugs? Can they afford to buy drugs?
As
Opium
per
is not that serious.
as per information received from police, the cost of drugs are quite low in our state. And then we get ganja freely in all parts of the state, and then some tablets also, which are addictive. Since addiction has spread, this problem has spread to all parts of the country, even in rural areas also, we are getting reports of this case being spread. Yes, there is a proposal to set up the addiction center for juveniles for female.
So where it will be?
We are planning in Nongstoin, but we don't know if it is not feasible. Then we'll set up in Shillong. Yeah, there is rising cases of addiction in females also.
So when will that proposal be put up, sir?
Very soon, I cannot say when, but this year itself, it will be made functional. What we are planning to do in the future, we are going to engage some NGOs who are working with us to do the survey. Right now, we rely only on the registration in those institutions and cases from the police, cases registered in the police department.